But way she ain't running up to him hitting him.
You talk to Ernest?
Why you tried to talk to him?
I talked to him. I sent him money. I don't never hear from him no more.
He be calling me like, so I ain't your brother no more.
Text them numbers, that's it.
I be like,
the
Ernest.
next text will be, thank you, love you. I'm gonna call you later.
He wanted me to call him every day. I ain't your brother no more. I'm like, did I say that? He's like, cause you know I don't hear from my other sister never.
He don't really talk to Nana. He mad at her.
I don't know. Let me tell you. Why is you eating like that?
Did you get my text about the red devils?
Mm-hmm.
The fish?
You got them?
Nuh-uh.
I thought you... I was
trying to get you to go with me.
I thought you had got them.
I'm gonna go get them today when I pick up the ride.
Them things look big. I looked it up.
It's the small ones.
Don't they grow though?
You don't get that big. The tank ain't, it's just right for some two of those.
Last
small
time
ones.
they had a little rubber bands. I was like, oh, that little hair holding stuff. Yeah, like see how she went to the bathroom. See how she went to the bathroom. The other lady, she had called all the security in here to come here and just go to the bathroom right here. What you think I'm about to do?
Because they got to. But
no, I mean they got to, but it's like, you know.
You get to know your parents after so many.
Yeah, that's what I'm like.
Yeah. Oh, I couldn't get that lady off the phone desk. Oh my gosh. She said, I just want you to know that really though. She said, I know. You know what I'm saying? That everybody feel like because the court recommended it, I'm the court, you know, and whatever. She said, yeah, I do report back. I got to, but you know, not like that. She said, I just don't understand. I don't see you guys here. Like, you know, and she said, a lot of my families are my kids. Okay, yeah. Some, you know, like she was saying, make a mistake, but she said she didn't see us, like, going through this.
Man, I got you some eggs right here. Am I not?
She was just asking about Ryan, why I didn't get him.
Yeah.
I was telling her because I wanted you in the home. Got to.
She is a mess. Mama, she is fat. Mama, if she eat all of this food, that's ridiculous, Mama. I'm putting her on a diet. I'm not going to be bringing this much food for her.
She might be like Londa, just eat a lot but don't really gain a lot of weight.
Because this is ridiculous.
She's the perfect size.
I know. And I'm thinking, like, she can't just be
but
eating it because
she
would
eat
get
like
full.
that too. You and Star, y'all used to eat like that.
Well, Star tried to, but I used to steal her food. Come on now. She really remind me of Sarai. Even like how she be playing and stuff. She remind me of Sarai so much. That's probably why her and Sarai get along.
I know Sarai miss her. She do. I don't see my grandbaby today.
Look how she looked at you like, grandbaby. Grandbaby who?
Yeah, you got Sherry. You got a Sherry again, my girl. Look, she looking like, huh? Oh, I didn't bring the crayons and stuff.
Mama, I only ate one pancake, and these is 2 pancakes. You full? You want some juice? Milk? Probably got backwash on.
That's why she be restless. That's why, because after she eat, she's tired. It's a white berry here.
Hair long. Look at her.
Oh, she got 4 head like us.
5 head.
Ryan, get down. Can you get my son? Give me some. What you laughing at? Where mine at? Can I have some?
She's trying to get every piece. Look at the piece she's trying to grab.
One of the what thing for her hand?
Here. Ryan, I really think you fool.
Yeah.
She just eating because it's sticky.
Oh, sorry. It's better than cold, man.